This is gonna be the bomb. Incoming!
Impressive!
If orange chicken didn't exist, there would be no more Mexican cooks.
Just relax, Joe. We're here to help.
Yeah, Joe, we got a nice padded room for you on the stressed out father's ward.
I'm an American, damn it!
Okay, lower away! Well, that went better than I thought it would. Oh! Hola!
Oh, God! The gas!
Faster! Bring it on, bring it on.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, watch this!
We're having some fun now, huh?
Shouldn't have eaten all those dates.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Ow, 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 ow. I ain't into eating anything that swims where it poops. Voted most likely to be involved in our next comedy sketch. Stick around for Jill.
Ah, Mommy!
So, Jill, remember back in high school when we used to hang out together? We should do that again sometime. Hey, what about now? Looks like this is the end for another Inside Joke. We'll see you all next time! Joey here is still trying to talk me into trying out his new workout machine. What do you people think? Should I?
There's nothing to be afraid of as far as you know. Come on.
Well, okay, I'll give it a try.
Don't forget your mouthpiece.
Mouth guard?
You don't want to swallow your own tongue, do you?
I think I changed my mind.
Ow! 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 It hurts!
Go for the burn.
Please make it stop!
That's one. Keep going.
She's gonna be sore tomorrow.
Well, folks, look at her go. The Joy Medina workout contraption is just what you need to totally change the way you look and feel.
I think I'm gonna be sick!
Here's how to order.
The Joy Medina workout contraption is not available in stores or by mail order and is only available through this one-time exclusive TV offer. The Joy Medina workout contraption can be purchased by 90 payments of $99.99. The Joy Medina workout contraption is not responsible for any deaths, dismemberments caused by the Joy Medina workout contraption. Order now by calling 1-800-TRAP. Not recommended for human use.
Hi there! I'm back with comedian Maranzio Vance and his darling grandma talking about her efforts to protect him from evil. Isn't that adorable?
Hey, old lady, it's me, the Prince of Darkness, with the dark and the tail and the hurting and the fiery players with the fire and the burning. Oh, it's you again.
Oh my God!
I hope he's not here for me.
I'm here to do battle with Grandma, with the fighting and the hurting, between the good and the not so good. Bring it on, you son of a bitch.
Kick his ass, Granny!
Thrilling, isn't it?
Lady, stop it with the pointy, hurty thing. Flaggo!
Bastard!
Finally, evil wins with the badness and the not so nice and the sinning. Uh-oh!
Yeah, Yahoo!
Oh, the pain, the squishing and the hurting. It's the pain I hate.
Wow, the foot of God! What a walk-on!
What?
I said it's our guest! Robert Zapata!
Shut your mouth.
Rita?
Come on! Let's get
happen?
Better buckle up, Rita. Remember, it's click it or tick it.
Hang on.
I don't think you're gonna break the record.
Oh, yeah? Watch this.